get it on your fork.
Can you please come up here for a minute?
Yeah. Yeah. Frustrating you. Okay. Just pick it up and eat it, buddy. Don't have to stab it with a fork. He's getting so frustrated, but he won't let me touch it. He wants to stab it. I'm coming, David. Give me 1 second. I'm recording Douglas right now. He did it. He did it. Good job, Douglas. Gonna get one of the ones from the ground now. Good job. Now he's gonna do it again. Hey, you figured it out. Uh-oh. Can you get it? Big boy, buddy.